Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you all are doing well. This video will be about HCF, LCM and the product of the numbers. One of my subscribers had asked me to discuss this thing. Okay, now before discussing HCF, LCM and how the HCF and LCM are related to the product of the two numbers, before that, let me make this thing clear to you people that I have already made the first topic, the first subtopic of class 10th, that is Euclid's division lemma, clear in my first video. Okay, now if you want to go through that, if you have any confusion in Euclid's division lemma, you can go through that video. Okay, now let's get started with the thing. See students, if we have any two numbers, say for example a and b, okay, for any two positive integers, say a and b, what we are having, if we have HCF, okay, the HCF of these two numbers AB multiplied with the LCM of the two numbers, it's equal to the product of the two numbers. Product of numbers. Okay, this is a very important relation. What we do here, what we discuss over here in this very relation, what we are having actually over here, the statement is saying that for any two integers, for any two positive integers a and b, if we know the HCF and if we know the two numbers, we can easily find out what? We can find out the LCM of the two numbers, where HCF it stands for the highest common factor or the greatest common factor, and LCM it stands for the least common multiple. In your earlier classes, these things are quite clear to you people. Okay, now in case if you find any difficulty in finding out the HCF or LCM, you can ask me in the comments. Now let's start with the main question. Say for example, if I have any two numbers, okay, let's take any number. Say let's take 26 and let's take 91. Okay, let me write it over here. The first very thing. Now, if we have any two numbers, say 26 and 91, now if we need to prove this statement, prove this formula for these two numbers, how we are going to prove this formula for these two numbers? See, first we're going to find the highest common factor of 26 and 91, okay? So how are we going to find the highest common factor, or we can say HCF of 26 and 91. Find out the highest common factor of HCF and 91. For that, we need to find out the factors of HCF and factors of 26 and 91. From this side, I'm going to find out their factors. This is 26 and this is 91. Now, we have 2 to 3 or 6. Now, since 13 is a prime number, so it won't have any other factor other than 13. Now, for 91, we are having 7. 1 or 7. We are meaning we are having over here 2. So 7 3 or 21. Again, 13 is a prime number, so 13 1 or 13. So we are having the HCF of 26 and 91 will be equal to, what is the common factor between the two? It is 13. So what is their highest common factor? It is 13. Now similarly, finding out the LCM of 26 and 91, it will be equal to, find out the factors of 26. The factors of 26 are 2 and 13. And what are the factors of 91? They are 7 and 13. Since we know that repetition is not allowed, so what will be the LCM of 26 91? It will be equal to 2 into 13 into 7. Okay, so what will be that equal to? It's equal to 182. So we got the LCM, we got the HCF. Now what we need to prove? We need to prove that if we multiply this HCF, that is this 13, with 182, we need to get the product of the two numbers. That we need to get the product of 26 and 91. Okay. Now for verification, what we need to find out? We need to prove that LCM into HCF is equal to product. Now what was the LCM? We were having LCM equal to 182. What was the HCF? 13. And what are the two numbers? The two numbers are 26 and 91. Multiply the two things. Multiply 182 with 13. We will get 2366. And multiply the two things, 26 and 91. Again, we will get 2366. So we have left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we proved the result. Okay, is this thing clear? I hope this thing is clear to you people now. Now we have many other questions. You can solve other questions in the same form if you need to find out, or if you need to verify whether LCM into HCF is equal to the product. If you have been given any two numbers, you just have to find the LCM, you just have to find the HCF, and then you have to go through this very formula. Okay, I hope this video was clear to you people. In case this video was clear to you people, then do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.